Rapid speed matching, or RSM, is a core technology of the Symphoni system. The RSM disc functions like continuous motion dials, but it is 90% smaller and free of the inherent mechanical constraints. The RSM disc transfers parts from an in-feed system and synchronizes their motion with the Symphoni assembly cell. It is digitally cammed to eliminate traditional escapements and stop-start inline parts feeding. Singulation allows each part to enter the disc gently to avoid scratching or damage. Once control has been established, the RSM disc is then rapidly accelerated to handoff position to maximize rates. Smooth parts feeding yields higher throughput and gentler part handling. It also significantly reduces part jamming. The RSM disc is designed with quick-release hardware for fast changeover. This makes it incredibly easy and simple to swap out discs for multiple products.